Hello, all my dearest students of South India. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, congratulations to all of you, all those who have cleared the CA final examination. Congratulations to your family members. Congratulations, especially to your parents, to your brothers, to your sisters, to your friends, and more importantly, to you all who have given their best of the efforts, best of the dedication, best of the hard work for your November 2023 exams. So, all the best for your future endeavors, and I hope you will do great in your career. And I wish some of you become a finance minister of this country one day. Some of you become an RBI governor of this country, and that day will be very proud for us. So God bless you all and all the best for your future career. Take care, all of you. Now coming back to those students who are unfortunately not able to clear their exams in November 2023. You might have given your best of the efforts. You might have given your best of the dedication, best of the hard work. Whatever could have been possible from your side, you would have done it from your end. But unfortunately, still you're not able to clear your exams. Now, there might be some kind of fear in your exams, in your mind. The fear would be that what exactly to be done for May 2024, sir? Sir, the new course have come. How the syllabus will change because of the new course? Sir, apart from the new course, there might be some new amendments which would have come because of the latest Finance Act. Don't worry, I am here to address you all everything in full English, especially to my South Indian students. Don't worry for all those things. I'm there for you all. I have a bridge from November 23 to May 24. This bridge will take you from November 23 to May 24 with ease. For that purpose, I have divided all the students into three categories. Category number 1 student. Those students who are conceptually very strong. They are conceptually very strong. They have done sufficient practice of questions in the class. Still, they are not able to clear their exams. Don't worry about it. Sir, what shall we do, sir? Sir, we are conceptually absolutely strong. We have done sufficient questions in the class. We have done everything in the class. Still, we are not able to clear the exams. What shall I do? You don't have to do much. You have to continue doing what you have been doing so far. Sir, what about the amendments? Don't worry. Whatever is the latest Finance Act amendments made by the Government of India in Finance Act 23, all of them will be covered by us from tomorrow onwards. We will be uploading full English video on YouTube. You can watch that video and all your amendments will be covered. Don't worry about it. Okay? So all the amendments will be covered. Yes, everything will be covered freely. You don't have to worry about anything. Secondly, sir, what about the new topics which has added by the ICI? ICI has added 3 new topics and has deleted 2 topics. The 3 new topics which are added by ICI are tax audit report, which was earlier part of audit, now shifted to direct tax. They have increased my burden. Second, but I feel that tax audit was not the correct place to be in audit. The correct place of tax audit was direct tax only. So it has come to its correct place now. Tax audit is the new topic which is added. Black money law. And third one is a small theory topic in international tax. And there are 2 topics which they have removed. One is salary, one is house property. They have removed from the syllabus. So that's a good news for us. Anyways, we used to not study those topics, salary, house property in CA final. So what about these 2 topics, sir? Will we be covering these 3 topics also? Don't worry, from tomorrow onwards, I'll be uploading that also. Tax audit, entire ICI material provision I'll be covering in the class. Don't worry, I'll be uploading that on YouTube. You just have to see that video. You don't have to buy anything. Don't worry. Second, black money law, entire video I'll be going to upload. Don't have to worry. And that small theory topic, I will take some time to upload because I have to record that. I have not yet recorded that. So you don't have to worry if you are a category 1 student. Category 1 student who comes under category 1, who feels that they are conceptually very strong, they have done sufficient questions, they just have to see our amendment videos and they just have to see our what? Extra topics which are added by the new course. That's it. One thing I can request you all, that you don't have to buy any course, etc., etc. You just follow one thing, that you buy the new books. That would be better for you. That is also absolutely your choice. If you want to buy, if you can manage with your old books, that's well and good. But it's better that you buy the new books, because new books will have all the amendments, will have the new topics also, new question bank especially will be updated as per the latest Finance Act. New question bank will have the latest RTPs, latest MTPs, latest exam papers, everything will be latest with amendments. That will be very helpful for you, because as a student, you cannot do all those amendments. It will take weeks and weeks of time to amend all the books. Not practically possible. So this is category 1 student. Now category 2 students. All those who feel that they are conceptually strong, but they have not done enough questions. They have not done enough practice. And practice is the key in CA final examinations. Unless you practice properly, it's of no use to have conceptually strong. Being conceptually strong is of no use unless and until you have sufficient practice of the questions in the exam. At the time when you're writing the paper, unless and until you have sufficient practice of questions, you would not be able to write your pen. Your pen will not go ahead. Therefore, for such kind of students who are conceptually strong, but not done enough practice in the question, especially those are not my students, definitely. Because in our class, we have done more than 300 to 400 questions in our exam-oriented fast-track batch also, and in our regular batch also. So if you have not done sufficient practice of question, for you all, there is this batch. This is known as a practical question batch, newly launched by us in full English. This batch will cover around 400 questions from all the topics: PGBP, capital gains, IFOS, then you can say assessment, then income tax authority and powers, then appeals and revision, then penalty, then you can say TDS, TCS, then you can say non-resident taxation, DTAA, GAR, then you can say transfer pricing, and then RTPs, MTPs, exam papers, 18 different kind of papers. We have discussed all of them in this particular batch. So if you are conceptually very strong, but you are not having enough practice of the question, you can go for this batch. Along with that, we have put this batch at a very concessional rate also. Along with this batch, you will get what? You will get a question bank also. Hard copy of the question bank. Now coming to the third category of students. If you feel that you have not been able to clear because you are not conceptually clear. Direct tax is a conceptual paper. You need to be conceptually very strong in direct tax. Unless and until you are conceptually strong in direct tax, you will not be able to crack the paper. Even though this time paper was very easy as compared to the earlier attempt paper. Still, in the new course, the papers are going to be very conceptual. It is not going to be repetitive in nature the way it was in November 23. Therefore, if you feel that you are conceptually not very strong, then you should go for at least our fast track batch, which is our exam oriented batch. We cover 100% concepts over there. There you will get the books also, color book also, you will get the question bank also, you will be solved with even practical question batch entirely will be covered, and 100% concepts will be covered, and even the books will be given to you. So you can go for that if you are not conceptually clear. If you are conceptually clear, you don't have to go for all these things. Don't waste your time unnecessarily. I'm very clearly saying you. So these are the three categories of students which I have addressed. Apart from this, whatever could be possible from my side, I'll be doing for you all freely, which I have been doing earlier also. Right now also, I am doing it. Like I have already uploaded a revision video for you all in full English. I will be uploading the remaining parts also as per the latest amendments, as per the new course syllabus, as per the latest Finance Act for May 24. I will be also uploading as I've told you, all the amendment videos. I will also be uploading the MCQ videos, which I have been uploading in the past exams also. I will also be uploading the compilation of past papers, where we have tried to cover 18-19 papers in around 4 to 5 hours. I'll be doing all those things for you all for your attempt also. Apart from this, we will try our best to address your doubts also on our WhatsApp number. You can contact on our WhatsApp number this if you have any doubts. We will try to address that. I'm not committing that I will address each and every doubt, but we try generally our best to reply to our students at an earliest. We try our best. Sometimes it happens that some of the students are not getting replies, so you cannot be offensive towards us. It happens sometime. Okay, I'm ultimately myself replying. I'm not keeping a dummy person to reply to your doubts. It is someone who is the person itself. I am in person who's going to reply you. I'm not going to give my task or delegate my task to somebody else to reply to my students. Don't worry about it. So sometimes there might be some delay. So that's it from my side. Whatever I could have to say for you all, from tomorrow onwards, the revision videos have already been uploaded for some of the topics, but from tomorrow onwards, the amendment video is going to come for you all. Okay. And last but not least, these amendment videos are not applicable for our May 24 regular batch and our May 24 fast track batch students. All these amendments are already covered in our batch. So you guys don't have to see all these things. Be very careful. It is not relevant for you all. Okay. It is not relevant for you all. Be very careful about it. So take care, all of you. Don't be disheartened. It happens in life. You're not able to clear your CA exams. It is not the end of the life. Okay. It happens. And there is nothing like that. If you don't clear your exams in first attempt, you cannot excel in your life. Still, you can do great in your life. I believe you. I trust you. I have 100% faith in you all. You should keep faith in yourself now and take your journey ahead with a smiling face. Okay. Take care, all of you. Till then, bye, all of you. Take care.